Welcome to Frisky Frenchtons, Moving Day Part 2. Good morning, everybody. So yesterday I moved in. The tractor guy came and cut all the hay. This is how it looked like before. Baby, this way! Come.
Wait, Mommy, I'm busy right now.
Baby, poopy. Okay, let's go. Ready?
Yep, Mommy. Oh, nice. It's flat now. Easy to walk.
Go, guys. You can go.
Let's run, Rio.
Baby.
Mommy,
No.
treat. Mommy, what kind of dog trainer are you without the treat pouch?
No demands, please.
Rio, Mommy doesn't have a treat. No, I've never done that before.
What do you see there?
Something, anything.
Rio. Woo! Ha-ha!
Did you call me, Mommy? I'm coming.
Go. Go, baby. We train our dogs not only the rock at the we call proximity, stay in a proximity most of the time. Go, Ren!
I smell the dog,
Let's
the cat, and coyote.
Go, 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 go!
Sniff, sniff, sniff,
Go, 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 go!
sniff, sniff.
You're wondering why Rio is on leash? Because it's not completely fenced in yet. Do have a neighbor's dog. They are off leash around this neighbor. They sometimes come visiting, wandering around. So just in case when that dog arrives, and then I just have to quickly grab the wheel.
Rio, what you smelling?
Really enjoy watching them running together. Rio! Here! Baby! Good girl!
Oh wait, you don't
Good girl,
have treat.
baby!
I'm not working for free.
Where's Rio? Rio! Here! Let's go! This way! Good boy! Yes! Good boy! Yes! Good boy! Yes! Good. Hip! Come! Rio! Hi! Yeah! Good boy! Let's go! Run! Go, Ren! Go, Ren! Go, Ren! Go, Ren! Come! Good boy! Yes! Run! Yeah! Isn't that beautiful? And I will make sure the dog is not approaching it. We will recall immediately. Right, Rio?
You're right, Mommy.
You're not gonna eat the grapes. You're the one. Probably. I have to watch really, really well. Rio,
You
Rio,
got
let's
that
go.
right too.
Breakfast time. Let's go eat breakfast.
I want breakfast, but I want to go
ignoring.
inside too.
Because he wants to go in. You wanna go inside? Just a little bit.
Just a little bit, Mommy.
Sit. Okay. Break.
Give Mommy. Sniff, sniff, sniff. If I have to pee on it.
First breakfast. Treat bowl. You're in the second bedroom. Still lots of stuff. Baby, this is your breakfast.
I don't want to work hard though, Mommy. Yum, yum, yum.
We are looking at the breakfast and a dinner as an opportunity for the training or canine enrichment. Both the Rio and Luna never eats the meal out of the bowl anymore. We ditch the bowl. My first cup of espresso. Okay, sun is coming out. It's gonna get hot. Alright, let's go. this.
Oop.
He's up here.
I have to get down to get that.
Good morning, everyone. Life, so nice. Here comes baby. What is it?
Danger. Let me danger. I think there is a danger. Let me check. Check. Safe now, Mom.
Thank you, Rio, but I don't need your help though.
Rio, I can't stand you having a fan. I have to take it away from you. Stop it, baby. What? No, Rio, I'm gonna steal it.
Now Rio can have fun without baby yelling at him. A visitor, Bear is up here, and Gigi is doing a triple, but no audience. I'm not sure what he's doing. He's just sniffing. He left his leg up. Watch it again. Male, intact, marking, and Rio and Luna. They know each other since puppies, so he's fine. But I can't supervise, so I'm not gonna let them free roam together. So they are staying inside. Bear Gigi sniffed around, did the triples, and now tired. I just unpacked this much. I still have this much. Voila, all the boxes gone, and they are coming to pick them all up. So feels good. It's gonna be garage office. It's gonna be dog room. We have a dog room downstairs as well, and this is we use it for the training, but just the end of the summer. We have lots of dogs. Accommodating dogs here. I am installing.
Mommy, I need a
Rio,
dish.
please quiet. I'm installing baby gates. More baby gates. It's gonna be here and there and there. All the door is open. Air circulation is going on, and then I'm gonna install it. See, one baby gate is done, and the next is here and here. So far, one is only one settle. I don't know where's the Finn. Oh, Finn is around the corner, by the door. There you go. Since I'm packed already, I start training. This is Sunny, beautiful pit bull. He's here to learn hyper to calm. It's a lot of agility courses to building up their focus and also confidence. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more farm life and trainings. See you again.